Hi guys, BROWNSKINSISI here. Thanks for tuning in again. Today we have a wash day with product review. Today I have a wash day. As you can see, my hair is really dirty. I'm coming from a bun with gel, so my hair is really crusty right now. I am going to wash my hair using the L'Oreal Total Repair 5. So I'm going to use the shampoo, the conditioner, and also the mask. I don't know if it's a mask, but it says it's a leave-in or rinse out. I'm going to use it today as a mask, and I'm going to use a heating cap with it, and we're going to see how that works. This line is meant for weak, fried, brittle, tangled, and split ends. So that is why I'm assuming they called it Total Repair 5, because it's supposed to address weak hair, fried hair, brittle hair, tangled hair, and split ends. So starting with the shampoo, they say the hair is mostly made of protein. When damaged, it loses vital strength and nourishment. So this is bringing back the nourishment into your hair. The direction here is to massage on wet hair, lather, rinse, follow with conditioner, which is what I did. It smells good. It's not overwhelming or overpowering as a smell, so it's very fresh. It's very smooth and settled. It's a very smooth and settled scent. As you put on the shampoo, you saw the quantity that I took was probably too much, and as soon as it touched my hair, it lathers so much, and I had so much foam on my hair. It was unbelievable. So I could have pretty much gotten away with using just a little bit of that shampoo, of the shampoo. As far as how it performs, I felt like my hair got clean. I did 2 shampoos, but I think I could have just gotten away with just one. It lathers so much that I didn't feel like I needed to add more. I could just work with what I had on the first wash. Although it lathers, like you can see a lot of foam, it doesn't feel like it's stripping your hair out of all the moisture. I used a comb on my hair to see if the comb was gonna be able to get through, and I was also able to comb my hair with the shampoo. Usually with some of the shampoos, as soon as I put my comb on my hair, I can glide it through. Some of the shampoos can make my hair tangled actually, and I don't want to use any tool with my hair while the shampoo is on my hair. So when I rinsed this shampoo out, I felt like my hair was still moisturized. I'm not mad at the shampoo. Next up is the conditioner. The conditioner to me was okay. Again, it's supposed to be for weak, fried, brittle, tangled, and split ends. Same characteristic, same smell, not too much, not overpowering, very smooth, very settled, you know, not mad at it. I put on the conditioner on my hair. I was able to comb my hair with the conditioner on it. I didn't feel like it was particularly moisturizing, like smoothing, but it was getting the job done. It was not a wow effect. With some conditioners, as soon as they touch your hair, you feel like there is something different, like it gets smoother. With this one, my hair was still kind of, it was okay. It wasn't too much, but it was getting the job done. I was able to lather it on my hair and comb my hair through and detangle my hair, because usually I try to detangle my hair while I'm washing it. So I was able to comb my hair and, you know, detangle it while I applied this conditioner. The direction here is to massage through length after shampoo, leave on for 1 to 3 minutes, and rinse. I probably left it on for about 1.5. I don't think I left it on for 3 minutes, unless we're counting the time that I'm applying it on my hair, and I rinsed it out. So to me, the conditioner was okay. It wasn't bad. It wasn't also extremely impressive to me. But again, it's a repair shampoo, so maybe I'm not supposed to see the effect, the immediate effect right there, but it's doing the job. Now the star of the show to me was this right here. This right here, if you only want to buy one product, get this one. This is not a sponsored video, right? This is my second jar of this product, not the shampoo. The shampoo and the conditioner are the first bottles, and I used them a couple of times. This one though, no matter what shampoo I use, when I discovered this is what I will use in the shower as my conditioner. So I would detangle my hair with this and rinse my hair out. And sometimes I will use a little bit as a leave-in conditioner. It has a smoothing effect. As soon as your hair, it touches my hair, I can just detangle my hair so easily with my fingers, with a comb, whatever I use. I've been using this to detangle my two girls' hair as well. So if you need one of these products, I would say get this one. Now, for the first time yesterday, I used it as a mask. So I applied it on and I put the heating cap, and I just got one heating cap from Amazon for less than $20. I think it was $17 to $19. And just to maximize the effect of this on my hair, I spent probably 40 minutes under the heating cap because I was talking, but 20 minutes is enough so that it warms, like it really penetrates your hair strands. And I rinsed it out. Oh my God, I used to love this product, but now I don't know what to say, because once I rinsed it out of my hair, and I thoroughly rinsed my hair out, my hair was still very smooth. My hair was, I could barely grab my hair to braid because it was just silky and smooth. And I did some braids, and I went to bed with it because that's usually what I do to stretch my hair and overnight. And then I did this to go to church this morning. And as I was doing my hair, I felt like my hair had more volume. I don't know, or the volume was more apparent. Guys, now I'm just gonna take this down. I slept with this overnight. My hair feels moisturized. It's easy to comb. And I'm trying to see what I can do with it before I go to church. But I'm very satisfied with the result on my hair. Just trying to see what I can do with it today. I'm gonna do my tuck and roll. I think I'm just gonna do this. My hair feels moisturized. Honestly, that mask, the way it made my hair feel, especially after I sat under the heating cap, my hair felt so soft, so moisturized. I could barely hold my hair to braid it because it was just slippery. So I like that feeling. Hair feels full. What do you think? I'm gonna finish this up, come back and give you my final thoughts. But the effect of this, it let my hair moisturize. I didn't put any much product on my hair. I think I put a little bit of grease just to seal in the moisture, and I put hair food oil on my scalp when I was done. But this product though, as a mask, and if you use a heating cap, it's really good. My hair really felt healthy this morning. It was easy to comb. It had no tangles in it, but it had that silky, smooth feeling. So guys, that's my take on this line. I'm not mad at it. I love the overall result that I got from my hair using the shampoo, the conditioner, and this. I don't know if just using this will have given me the same effect, but again, I love this. Is the best of all the three in my opinion, but that it's a good hairline. I think I like it. I really think it does the job. And as you can see, I did not lose a lot of hair. I was combing my hair and I was not even seeing hair falling. I just had like little bits here and there, which is normal because I'm washing my hair and I'm combing my hair, but it wasn't like huge chunks of hair. I was not losing hair. Guys, this is a good one. I love this hairline. I would definitely be buying this again. Honestly, if I'm out of shampoo and conditioner, I would totally re-buy those because I really like the overall result. Thank you for tuning in. For more reviews, check out my other videos. I have a few other hair product reviews, and if you have any hair product that you would advise me to use or try on, or that you would like me to try so you don't have to go through all of it, let me know on the comment section below. And don't forget to comment, to like, to subscribe. Until next video, bye guys.